Hello class. So we have not been met quite a long time. So anyway, today we'll be starting a class on a new chapter, which is the chapter 6 on the algebraic expression. Well, before we start the meaning of the algebraic expression, let's first understand the two terms, or I will say the two meaning. Okay, so the first one is called a variable, and the second one is called a constant. In a very simple word, a constant are nothing but the other numbers which you have been learning, and it has got a fixed value, whereas a variable is nothing but it is an alphabet in which the value is keep on changing. Means the value of x can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, or it can be anything. So this is the meaning of a variable, and this is the meaning of a constant. So let's start with the meaning of the algebraic expression. Now, algebraic expression, as you have been already read the definition, you'll find that it is nothing but a combination of the alphabet and the numbers. See, if you combine these two, say we take the alphabet and say we take the variable, then it becomes 2x. So this 2x, it is called an algebraic expression. Same way, say if you combine y, say with 3, then it becomes 3y. This is itself is called an algebraic expression. Or say simply only z is also called an algebraic expression. But an algebraic expression can also be combined. I mean, these expression can be combined with the symbol. Like say for example, if you take 2x and if you combine with plus with 3y, so what you got is 2x plus 3y. So this itself, it is called an algebraic expression. Likewise, you can combine with even with the minus sign, say z minus 1. So what you got here, z minus 1. So this itself is also called an algebraic expression. So when it comes to algebraic expression, we have what we call terms. Now these terms itself is a part of the algebraic expression. Like say for example, if you take 2 and x, that means 2x itself is called a term. Or see, if you take only z itself, it's called a term. So that means if you combine 2x plus 3y, you'll find here that we have two terms separated by the plus sign. So this means that here in this expression we have got two terms. One is 2x, another is 3y. Likewise, here also in z minus 1, we have two terms. One is z, another is 1. But if only 2x is available, this is called one term. Okay. Or see, if only z is there, this is also called one term. The terms can be increased with the plus and minus. Like say for example, in this 2x plus 3y, say we combine with minus and 1. So we get 2x plus 3y minus 1. So this is an algebraic expression of 3 terms. Likewise, we have got 1 term, 2 term, and 3 terms. Alright then. So the next things that we'll be understanding is about like terms and unlike terms. Well, what are the unlike terms and what is called the like terms? So in this way, let's understand these two meaning. Like say for example, I take here like terms and see this is unlike terms. Now, say I took some of these expression, like say 2x, say I took 7y, then I took 5x, then I took 6av, and say I took another one which is 8ab. Now, all these are terms, but you'll find that there's a difference between all these terms. Now, if I take 2x and say I took 5x, what you'll find that both are x, even though there are 2 and 5. This is called like terms. Likewise, if you take 6av and say 8av, both are av, so it means that 6ab and 8ab are also called like terms. Now, unlike terms, just the opposite of the like terms. That means if I just took randomly say 5x, say I took 6av, say I took 7y, you'll find that all are different. One is x, one is av, one is y. So this is called unlike terms. Well, I hope you understood the meaning of algebraic expression, constant, variable, what is terms, what is like terms, and what is unlike terms. In the next class, we will do some operation on these terms, or I will say on this algebraic expression. Okay, I'll see you in the next class.